Hi everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with a project for Let's Have Fun Making Jewelry with Deb Hoke's Crafty Cottage. It's a collab where we do jewelry projects every month. I'm a little late this month, I'm a lot of late this month for my collab videos, so I apologize to Deb and to all the folks in the collab. But this is the project that I decided to work on. The theme for the month was red, white, and blue, or red, white, or blue. And so since July 4th is coming up pretty quickly, this is the project that I selected. You're going to hear my air conditioning going on, and you probably hear my fans squawking in the background, so I apologize. So the idea is that you can print images from your computer, you can create them with your craft supplies and your beautiful paper. You can make inchies and put them behind here to make a nice piece of jewelry. So last night I printed off a couple of images. Actually, I looked up flag images online, and then I reduced what do you call it? I just reduced the picture before I printed it. I found this one, which I thought was kind of cool. It's a kind of like a distressed looking flag. And I also found a regular American flag. And I printed out like 2 or 3 images. I have 4 of these total, and I printed out 2 or 3 images, and I decided just to do one image before I just glued down all of them, just to see how it turned out. And this is the one that I glued down, and I just have an ink jet printer. It's an HP. It's a great printer, but you can see here that the glue bled. It bled and it faded, and so you know, it wasn't meant to be a grunge look like this picture. So if I had done it with this would have bled as well. You know, but I wanted to show it to you. I think if you print on a laser printer, you may have better luck with this, but my ink and printer definitely bled. So I did another alternative, but I want to show you first kind of like the method of what you do. Let me show you the one that I did that I liked and how it came out, and this is it. Let me see if you could see it. Okay. So, not sure how well you can see it, but it's a forever stamp. So I basically just took a forever stamp, attached it to a piece of copy paper, and then glued it down, and then cut it out. And the last step in the process really is to add the bail. Let's go ahead and do that now, and I'll show you how I glued down the stamp. Okay, whoa. Brand new bottle of E6000, and E6000 is the recommended glue to use for metal objects. This is a really cute bail. It's a flower shape. It's got a peace sign in it, and I'm going to put it on just like that. And I'm going to try and not put too much, because when it comes to glue, I can be a little glue happy. Pick this up and just stick this on right there. Make it nice and centered. Okay, I'm gonna leave this aside to dry. It's gonna take a while for it to dry. Clean off your pieces. Well, I had some rubbing alcohol with wintergreen oil for some reason, and just wipe off all your pieces, get any extra grease or fingerprints off there. This is the glue that I got, not in this particular kit, but this is from Craft Fantastic, craftfantastic.com. Definitely check them out. Do not shake, you don't want any bubbles, and this is their fantastic glazing glue. I got this a few years ago, so the bottle may look different. They may have renamed it, not sure. But I'm going to grab a stamp, a piece of paper, and then get your glue, hold it upside down, don't shake it, and what you want to do is start in the center, and without moving it, just keep squeezing out a big kind of blob of glue. Grab your glass piece, you want it right side up, and you're going to put it down on your piece and squish all that glue out to the side. Grab either a brush you're okay with throwing away. I'm going to use a popsicle stick, and you could do this when it's a little bit more set. It might be a little bit easier for you, but I'm going to go ahead and grab some of that extra glue and push it away. I grab my paper towels, grab some of that extra glue away. And you can also clean the glue off once it's dry. Set that aside to dry. You can check it in a couple of minutes and it won't be dry. Once it's dry, and I would give it a good 3 or 4 hours to dry. This has been drying for at least 10 hours. And then grab yourself a good pair of scissors. I'm going to show you what I do to cut these out. You're just going to cut right up against that paper. Good. Then I'm going to take a craft knife, and there's a lot of extra like schmutz. Oh, I'm sorry if you didn't see that. Forgot that I was all close up. But basically just cut it up right against the paper, and there's a bunch of glue here still stuck. This is glass tile, so it's not going to scratch as badly as if it were like an acrylic piece or something like that. And this is just a craft knife with a newish blade. Nice and clean, and you can get all that extra glue off. Okay. So there you go, there's your finished piece. I don't think I'm going to save this. I might save it for something, like another craft project or something like that. You've got your bail open there, and you got yourself a nice little pendant. So anyway, that's my project, and I hope you like it. And oops, let's put that back over so that it dries. Anyway, that's the project right there. If you take a look in the link below, you're going to see all the other ladies that are involved in the project, and please check them out and encourage them on their projects. Thanks very much, everybody, for watching. Bye!